Chapter 4. The Library. Learner's Pick. Library is a place that will give you so many new stories to learn from. It is always good to learn something new. The library is a great place to visit for help with schoolwork or for fun. Libraries are the places where all the books are found. There are many diversities of books that can be found in a library. You can find books on language like English, Hindi, Sanskrit, and more. You can find books on science, on mathematics, on history, on how the world was formed, on how the world works, on how people were born, on how people live and work together, and even some imaginary tales called as the fantasy stories and novels. You can go to your library and there will always be someone to help you find what you want. That someone is a librarian. You can ask the librarian to help you find books about any subject that interests you. Libraries have books about anything from airplanes to zebras. There are majorly two sections of books. One is fiction and the other is non-fiction. The fiction books are books about fantasy stories that are not real or are made into story forms. The non-fiction books are based on facts that contain mostly information on many subjects or topics which anyone can use for studying or researching. If you like to read fiction, your librarian can suggest adventure books, fantasy books, and much more. If you are being inquisitive, like to read books that tell you about things around you or how they function or any subject related question, then non-fiction books are best for you. If you are having a hard time finding an answer to a question, ask your librarian to help you find the answer. Your librarian can help you locate information in magazines and newspaper articles and on the computer. Libraries are also a great place to go if you want a quiet place to read or study. They have areas with cozy chairs where you can curl up and read a book. They also have tables and chairs where you can work on school reports. Don't forget to visit your library and remember to thank your librarian for her or his